In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Havoc Rune here in Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the Havoc Rune is by far one of the best runes in the entire game, giving about an 82% damage boost, making it a top option, especially for late game builds, and you actually get it from dungeon runs. So essentially make your way over to the dungeon island. Once you're at the dungeon island, make your way in. Now you're going to have to complete a quest from this guy first, but essentially once you do, open this up and you need to obviously just go ahead and do any of these dungeons, but I recommend doing them on higher difficulties. This is because the drop chances will increase more with a higher difficulty. The best way to get the keys itself as well, because you're going to have to get keys in order to do this, is just by defeating the Vampire King on Sailor Island, since he has about 20 million HP and gives about a 33% chance to drop a key. Another good option is the item boss in Hollow Island, or the True Manipulator boss since they changed his name, with about 25 million HP and a 30% drop rate. But you could also farm really any boss like the Soul Reaper, Curse King, Solo Hunter, but their drop rates are a little bit lower. You're going to want to get as many of these keys as possible, then run the higher difficulty dungeons repeatedly, and that really is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.